Imagine from a movie scene to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
It's so hard to say no to their faces, so we went for a second round to feed a lot of the goats. Yeah, so there's one right here, but I just emptied my second bag. Yeah, but all those goats there, I just gave them all my hay because they're hungry. So we just finished our second round of goat feeding. I think no matter how much we buy, the goats always look so hungry, and like the goats at the end don't get as much food because like the supply of hay runs out by the time you reach the last few goats, so that's a little bit sad. But I think all the goats are ready to go to sleep. It's, you know, they had their meals and then yeah, they're ready for a nap, so I think we're gonna go now. It is absolutely sweltering now, but we are just leaving the goat farm. Surprising amount of crowd. I did not expect that, but yeah, we're done with our first stop and we are on the way to the second. Okay, so we just finished our first stop, which was Hay Dairy Farm. Goat farm. So we're all hungry. We went to Lim Chu Kang Jetty, which my sister and I both have been before. I'll attach the pictures here. But we are going to our second location, which is lunch at Bollywood Veggies. So we've reached the second stop of our road trip and we are at Bollywood Veggies. So we have a reservation at 1 o'clock and the time now is 12:15. So I think we're just gonna have a walk around, look at the farm. It's quite empty here. Love it. And I'm really a bit hungry, but I'm pretty sure after this whole like walking situation, I'll be even hungrier. So excited to see the farm. Never been to a farm for a long time, so yeah. So time check, 12:30. Our reservation is at 1 o'clock and it's actually, this place is really nice. There are so many different like varieties and species of fruits and veg and flowers, and I think half the things here I probably have never seen before, and it's interesting that it's in Singapore. And yeah, we I think haven't even covered most of the grounds. Yeah, I'm just very excited to eat. I've seen the menu online. They have like a veggie platter as well. So yeah, good food, great farm. And to think we're only in the second stop of our road trip, which is very exciting. Even through my mask, I can smell the pandan. They have pandan leaves everywhere. this tree here is poisonous and eating the fruits of it can be fatal. Wow. I'm surprised they have it out in the open like this. You know, someone might just... Okay, so we just reached the restaurant and we placed our order. We got quite a bit of food for the 4 of us. So we got one moringa tempura, one Warriors Indian favorites for 2 people, and then one vegetable platter, and then we got some drinks. The first item has already arrived and this is the moringa tempura. So let's try it. This is the lemongrass juice. Very fresh, but also no sugar at all, which is quite nice actually. So we just finished. Oh my god, there's something on me. Oh. Okay, anyway, so we just finished lunch and then we were like just driving like to nowhere, and then we just saw the Kranji War Cemetery Memorial sign, so we just decided to come. But unfortunately the actual memorial is closed, but there's like this beautiful green like patch here. Yeah, I've never been to this part of Singapore before, so another great addition to our road trip. We just completed Arcadia Road, which is this. Okay, then now we are going to Mount Pleasant Road, then South Buona Vista, and then eventually Vivo City. Finally, we're going to Nespresso store after attempt 25. Our next checkpoint, which was kind of the south, or is it north, Buona Vista Road, which has like I think the most number of hairpin turns in Singapore, and the road kind of just led up to Kent Ridge Park, so decided to just come in. And I think there's like a lookout point there, so maybe we'll go up and see what's the view. Right now at this place there's a lot of trees, so the view is a bit obstructed, but yeah, we'll go up a bit more and see what's there. We finished looking at the Kent Ridge Point lookout. The trees were all really grown, so we couldn't really see the view, but nonetheless it was very breezy, so it was a good break. So now we're moving on to the next leg of our road trip, which is Vivo City.